Good morning, people. Enogie, I get small message for you. Enogie, we mosi in weje you be a problem, your problem between you and priceless. I come inside na house, come bring and come out. Now me cause the one where you did for your body, Enogie. You have problem with your wife. It's not everybody that will support you. It's not everyone that will support priceless. For me, I'm against anything domestic violence. A man raising his hand on his woman. I'm against it. I don't like it. Most Enogie your wegbe I no genegbe ma oko. Nuna we uge tu wa. Enogie we me no ma ya wa ya. Ubia be Germany. E government okoko moyo wobo. Ubia be Germany mo me paragraph 23, 25, 26. Eriyo ma yo wa se. Ubia be Germany okumuwela all the time. You know why you was me awe me come when we no ya wa. Did we start with a priceless? They don't hear the problem everywhere. I'm not supporting you because you the big woman. I can't support a man that is laying his hand no matter what. A lot of men get women with their mouth sharp. Not the only you get her. You the 4 people want for social media. Are you not the person who say they know if you can't talk to? You don't know say you will be a baluma way if say nobody feel brigada. Or one or no Mexico want to be move to it. He may no way. Enogie. He may tell but when a video near I never cost you. Or why you waku yo why you wear mana. Di when of we la diano don't tell you get yo wa. But you give me way. I ask you. But you go everywhere. More when the president is that diano don't saga where. When you call the tour saying only no I was legally married. You know what to be married? Not be done what you do for his ass. Not be done what you do for his ass when you still be baby mama and baby father for Germany. You the hear what they talk. I have a marriage certificate that I can present both home and abroad anywhere I go in this wide world. I have a marriage certificate. You the hear me no gay? No na one way marriage, no my marriage in here. A marriage in there now una go settle, tomorrow una go fight. Now don't be marriage. Marriage when man they use matter they square woman. Woman they use matter they square man. Now don't be marriage no give me they ask you. Now don't be marriage. Marriage where family member for not represent. Now only you and your social media influencer and I stand. Now don't you they call marriage. Now that kind of marriage I tell you say I find when I want. Did I ever tell you? I'm a mother of 3, I'm good. Are you stupid? Where do they worry you Enogie? See passports. Gay, area you no more say. Imana me go ya u no more say. Udame yo. Area u no more say no gay. Udege. Ogi me akake wogo me. Area u no more say. Area u no more say. Imana bia me go ya bless you in future. With this, the power is in their hand. They can go anywhere. I not both picky we get paragraph 23. You dey hear me? Behave yourself. Behave yourself. Mind your mouth. When we tell you go and work is good. Go to school. It will make you, even when you work and go to school, it can give you all this. Social media not they give her. Social media, Facebook not they give her. When people say go and work. Now people will like you, that they tell you the truth. People who doesn't like you will not tell you the truth. They will not tell you the truth. I'm telling you. Go and work and become a better person for your life. You can't say you won't come curse people when talk for you. I'm too big for you to curse Enogie. I'm not be your mate. I'm too big. The fact that me and man not gonna date for us, we not date the same level in any area. Government not they feed none of my children. Government do not pay altar acts to none of my children. I'm married to an educated person. My husband is an engineer. You hear me? Man, when I'm married to an engineer. Now engineer now he be. I'm not born for a person like you. Person will go beat wife, come out, disgrace themselves. I'm too big for that kind of man. I know they do that kind of relationship with anybody. Before I go put this my total born for man, you know say that man water. I know say that man go fit take care of pikin. Before I go born for you. If better be person born for 2 men, 3 men, 4 men, that will born for 1 man where be say you born 4 children for her. You don't get €1 where they contribute to the life of the children. You know they contribute €1 into the life of your children. And are you the Roman? Are you the fair respect? Your mate, now they pay child support. Do you know how much child support I'm getting for my children? Now your mates. Do you know how much child Now your mates now they do one. My exes because my children don't get one father. You understand? Do you know how much child support that I'm getting? German government not they pay me alter acts. I know because of that I say I come match somebody for less. But you are disrespectful. The video I did to you, I did not insult you. I never insulted you. I use all the words where you and your wife you say, hey, I still follow priceless what they say, bad or good, even they say man they peace for us. We where they work, we work for flagrant end. You know they wash woman yash. You know they wash a day when not be your mama, not be your sister. What will no maya go your eh? And I so support we I so support a priceless. Una go at table name and not support a priceless. What we? Email you go where the way problem well at there. No, not tell me say no, you no insult me. Don't say that. Let me play the this for you. You know what it be insult. Oma kama ego ma no wa na. E no ge me here o wa ni your roy egbe. When I tell woman o wa, without a shame and disgrace na no e na egbe na no be no ge. See am. Okay. Or when any time when like my la wa again.
Lost the respect I have for you as my friend. Wow.
To even start with Enogie, you have no respect for me. I've advised you before. When you felt complain priceless to me when we talk for phone, I advise you say Enogie go chop a duro. You not go. You not go chop. You say you not go because of social media. I tell you say see from Victor where come up for Germany, go Italy back. Or man you know social media. We are na ya honor with the Italy. Go chop a duro. Anybody wey won't laugh, you make them laugh. If they laugh, they go rest. They go rest. If they laugh, they go rest. They go forget. They go chop a duro. You're from your duro as they go to us. They change that like that. Una we to our Nika ma we no give. No ma hiyo wa se na kinana. We no ma hiyo wa se na kinana. O bi ano wa biele. O ma value for men no salo buano rekete vio gie. Uwo wa no so ni. O ko na ka mo wetu we yo wa. The wo no so ni. Then we are not about by the social media na no do gbe tamare. Tell me one thing that way you will talk again now. When that person go say I no get talk, except that people will still there like you again low mentality. Not someone like me that know where I'm going to. I'm too big for you to talk to. I'm not your mate in any way. I'm not your mate in any way. I am working. Even when I'm there as now they take your picking. I know they collect job center. Now 8 gets that they pay me 60% from my own salary. From my taxes when I pay, now they collect 60%. Plus the child support when a fellow man like you, they pay me. Now I say they pay my bills. If we move, go and pay, go and work. You say no fee. There is a lot of benefit in working. There is a lot of benefit. Yes, those are the passports. See ya. You they see us so. Not be job center, not be they give this passport. Not be job center. You need to make good use of your time. You can get this. Make good use of your time, then you get this one. Not be cover up, oh. Not be cover up. See, not be cover up. Make good use of your time, you get it. You hear me? A person advise you as a friend, hey bro, not beat your woman again. Go to school. You come at the rant because you think that you have the view. You have people watching you. A lot of people are not telling you the truth. They are mocking you behind the camera. Wake up. And if you go back to Mama Nora, now shame and disgrace for you. If you go back to Mama Nora and Enogie, now shame and disgrace for you. It's a shame and disgrace for you. If you go back to Mama Nora. It's a shame and disgrace for you if you go back to Mama Nora and Enogie. It's going to be a shame and disgrace for you. I know so you don't get shame. Where can you way? Where make we make that ekwe? Ekwe DNA ereguwe. Error. Yeah. Sorok, Alex good. It's okay, my shots. It's okay, yeah. You see children, this is how Europe children be. Say, Mama, don't be loud. Now say because they used to me shouting for us. You know, they like how they bring your children up. You be shouting every day, disrespecting the children. Now, my smooth that Mama don't be because they used to me shouting at home. Once your bonnet are not go where go, people will pass you. See you come up 25 now you dey fight so now sweat come up for your nyash. Now person now walk no you not fall from heaven. You not fall from heaven. I'm married to a man like you that has a dick between his two legs like you, where they pay me bills. Where they pay me bills. Not be people matter you they say that they analyze for social media. People when you they analyze they matter for me that they don't be human being. They get 2 heads. Do you have 2 heads? Are you better than the people you they embarrass all the time? They disgrace all the time for this media. Are you better? Enogie, are you better than them? Those people when they ask you, Enogie, why you bring Enogie? Why you bring Enogie? Why you bring Enogie to media? Hey man, Enogie, do I embarrass you in media? Then true Enogie na no wagugwana. Then true Enogie na ya get it by social media president. No yere na battle no laduku na. Oh man, no see come ya goma. Iye no ra e kamage wasia e wagia va duegbe. Since we may like matter. Me adwa we ateboni me like the rovi away. Nobody they die for saga. Behave yourself. Now true now I tell you as a friend. I not curse you. I wish you come and tell me say, hey mommy G, I don't like the way you talk to me. No me way dating me why marriage in a marriage in anything. A marriage in a fravito is your mentor. A marriage in we get fravito ya who abi de nokiwo. A marriage in who get fravito ya who abi de nokiwo. A fravito we marriage your man say 1 week kuna more well as that way. My people I want to get married. My people I want to marry. I don't get it of my marriage because you dey run kitty they run kete. Why don't we base a fravito? Why invite him and I'm woman yo my fravito ever here? Oh we no ko wo get quick na ko la over. Respect your roti today. Oh when we who ganya. I will go carry on no one myself. You never get your comment. Imagine 2,500 and they brief for me you pay for your bill. You go carry off 6,000. Is that no stupidity? You are only government 2,500. You go carry off of 6,000 just to impress people, just to make people feel that I am this way. My brother, you the mad? It's Tiabonwa. How well cut your bomb? A traditional marriage in Wau, you single father, single mother. Traditional marriage in Wau, Benana Mewe, or my recognize. Uma we cut marriage in I do you marry Okuoni, or when I go me guan, where they tell we may, or we marriage now. Wait, make I show you the dress when I wear when I did my marriage. Shati, where is my king? Shati, give me that picture on give me the picture in my room, the window. That's my picture for my outside. Mama, go into the room. I'm coming, okay? If it's too late for you, go. Give me. Who were there okay? See, now maybe this. Forget if I can't add weight. Enogie, see, the day when I'm married, I get the certificate of marriage. Now maybe this. You they see me? Were they okay? When at a marriage here, now me be this one Enogie. This is me. This is me Enogie. You hear me? I'm married legally and I can present my certificate of marriage anywhere. Ma pay my bills for years. For marriage and married to her. He paid my bills. I was under a man. So shut up. You haven't paid no bill before since in your lifetime. You never paid bill before. You don't know how they say they pay bill. You don't know how they pay bills. You don't talk. You don't talk. People that knows when they are advising you, hey bro, do this, is going to be good for you. Take a little. How many people you want to fight? You want to come out to fight everybody? I wasn't even insulting you. I wasn't insulting you. I wasn't insulting you. The one where Enogie do, so now marriage be. Enogie now where they marriage now. Now marriage be that one. Now marriage be that one. Enogie now wanna say marry now. Is that marriage? Marriage will be say man and woman go to disgrace themselves. When you die, is it not better of a single? Is it not better of a single that to be with somebody? You never tell me me by priceless. When man can be a priceless in one me. When man a priceless in one me can be when no. When I via where this priceless in like social media. Now so priceless they talk for social media. You know they talk priceless matter for back. You know they talk say priceless say na dirty person. Say she not get respect. You know they talk Enogie. Two of you are best of the same feather floss together. Me wait talk say una two no difference. I get why. Where marry I? Just pack where? Pack. Don't insult me. If you come out for me again, I will come out for if you like maybe this view reach here or what they say is okay. No insult me, I don't insult you. All the video that I did not insult you. Now a social media president man I will for a year and say you don't go back house. Now I say Enogie don't go back house. Not you let me 1 year. No be only me one use the year. Now your godfather Matthew for a year and say you don't go back. Only if you are Enogie go will not be beat, not because. Enogie go to school if you not get working permit. If you don't get permission to work, go to school. Go and get your BIs. Me, I have my BI. I have all my certificates are here. Beyond BIs, I get everything. I have certificates. You went to school. Go and do something. You know what do? You the first person won't do you no, Enogie, no worry. Facebook they pay. Facebook they pay. What if Facebook money go fit do for you? Oh yeah, may you tell Facebook now may give you documents. Tell Facebook now say Facebook, I need a German paper. I need a German paragraph 25. Tell her. My dear, is it not better to get 2, 3, 4 baby father than a man where you get 4 children for when you don't know the value of the children? I know some of you are so daft, you don't know. It's better to have baby daddies where they take care of pikin, pay the children bills, pay the children sports. You see all those black children when they say they play ball today. Some of the way they do tennis, you think that they young grow up now they go meet and from grand. If you don't get better baby daddy that will plan life with you, even if not be husband again, to plan all those things with you, your children will grow up to be nothing. It is better to have multiple baby fathers that will position their children. They go put them for sports, put them for different things. Say, this my pikin go grow up, if he grow up to be a better thing. Than a baby father where born one, you born her for one man. Nothing to show off. Now government they take care of the children. Now government now they pay bills of the children. And the man go sit down for us, go say they fair respect. Man when they pay bill for me. Sometimes if me and they exchange words. If I they talk to her, he never tell me say because hey babe I they pay you. Not talk of you where government they take care of picking for. You will not they contribute €1. You will not they contribute €1. You will not they contribute €1 to your children's life. Behave yourself, Enogie. I beg, take my name out of your mouth. If you don't want me to contribute for your matter, just say, hey, I beg, oh, madam, not talk about this matter again. I don't like how you talk. I will back at. I say you're rich. I will back at. They don't insult me when I never insult you. Because you are nothing anymore on this social media. You are nothing. Nothing. Not there your body again, my dear. You not there. Nothing left again. Nothing. Who are disgracing to the highest level. To the highest level. When I say highest level of embarrassment. Many sort of this said who are the end of you understand? You understand? When this sort of this say, everywhere the end of social media. So behave yourself. Take my name. Don't insult me again. I'm not saying you don't respond to me. Don't throw insult to me because you are not in any way a pinch, a quarter half of waiting I dey put my hand. Me will be woman. I go chest 9 hours work. I go do 8 hours. I go do 1 hour. Sometimes 2 hours more. Uber stunde. It go be 10 hours. You will be man. Go there for inside as they sleep. Nothing to show off. Nothing. And you want to open your mouth to talk to me? Opa ma work here. I be make every guest in welele. Di ma work di gwegwa di mariku. You tell me you say whether me don't bring my baby daddy. I am not that kind of a lady. I'm not that kind of a lady. I cannot disrespect. You know why? I can't disrespect the man that I have children for. You know why? Because the man, first of all, put respect for himself. You do not control. Ask for respect. You demand it. You don't control it. You do not ask for respect. You demand respect. If you as a man put respect for yourself, a woman will respect you 100%. But if you don't put respect for yourself, the woman will disrespect you. There's no two ways about it, my dear. You don't ask for respect, you earn it. But you are demanding respect from Osaume say, now make you the always they get disappointed. You are demanding respect for Osaume say, you earn it, exactly. So please, enough. You know how many live video presenter for this social media we're not born for one man. I'm proud of it. Marriage not be for everybody. Marriage is not for everybody. The most important thing as a mother, don't fail for your children. That is what I am doing. I'm doing my best. And I so much thank God that the baby father that I gave to my children, they are the best in this whole wide world. They are there. Even if the relationship is not working, they are taking care of their children. And I'm so proud of that. You don't talk to me. After all, or we can walk in our ekia with you with me. I mean, well, yeah, the way you go up, but not marry. I thought they clap. Hey, if you marry, work for you. It's good now. You don't ever see me. I can't condemn marriage. I can't condemn marriage. Why will I condemn marriage? Marriage is a good thing when you are with the right person. Marriage is the best when you are with the right person. But if you are with somebody who be saying, una two different way. Now this kind of life, I don't want to live. Now this guy goes back. I don't want dynamic. I be single. It's better to be a single than to be with somebody. You will talk like this. The person will talk like this. Then you cut the relationship and have peace. I don't get why you get sent for my life. I don't get one social for my life. I don't get one social work away the entire my ass. Because I could know the right thing to do at the right time. That's what I do. I don't want to lose my children, lose relationship, because still lose children, like the way they do. So if you keep doing it, people will be reporting you. One day yourself, social will come and ask, oh, your eye will come clear. That's how you come to say, it's better to lose, to be separate, than to lose children for government. Even money if you're not government, because you even have any email. There are single mothers in this social media. All of you are bullying. Before person go talk, una say you're not married. And you born for here, you born for that. Oh, born some of una. Una papa married 2 wives. Some of una mama na husband snatcher. Me I not snatch anybody husband. Some of una mama said never born for one man. Then now una fit take maths. Una go forget you una they come from. Now fit take maths. Go give somebody say the person a single mom. Behave yourself. Don't mock somebody with something that you know is normal. It's a normal thing. If relationship does not work, you go your separate ways. That's my sister will die that day. She go her separate ways for better. I'm good. I'm not gonna complain to you. You are not paying my bills. I'm not saying you can't give me your bola when you they do. Not talk of say you can't tell me say what where. I'm not gonna beg you say sister I beg yeah I see wow where. Imagine you go here and Monica ya mita or when they walk or the woman no way it is kaya true. Or could never double wa or no way and not true not be lie.